In this video, I'll show you how to send money on PayPal without a fee to friends and family, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to send money on PayPal without a fee, first open your browser and go to paypal.com, then sign into your account. Next, from the main page, click on Send Money, like you normally would. Then, enter the name, username, or email address of the person you want to send money to, and click Next. After that, type the amount you want to send, and add a note if you'd like. Then continue to the next screen. Next, you see a section that says Choose a payment type. Here you'll have two options. The first option is Goods and Services, which is typically used when you're buying something from someone or making a business payment. Select Friends and Family instead, and PayPal will send the money without charging any fees. Finally, click Send. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.